Engineering project value chain comprises developers who make significant capital investment to create new facilities. Quite often, these developers hire main contractor who executes the project on lump sum turnkey basis. The main contractor in turn gets project work executed through a number of subcontractors, vendors and service providers. As the project work is performed, each entity submits progress of work accomplished. Finally, the main contractor consolidates overall progress and creates payment applications with the developer as per agreed billing schedule framework. This entire process involves significant manual calculations, reconciling, iterations, documentation, reviews and approvals. As a result, getting payment applications processed and getting paid for the work performed becomes quite laborious and delayed. LTI Paychain is a non-disruptive solution on SAP Cloud Platform that streamlines payment application and invoicing process across the value chain. Paychain solution provides collaborative solution with which vendors, subcontractors and main contractors can exchange progress, payment application and invoice data in seamless manner. Since all entities work on same platform with same set of data, a number of redundant manual tasks are eliminated. Integrity of data across the value chain is enhanced. More importantly, Paychain provides a process that is perfectly aligned with business practice of reporting progress, getting certified and paid for it. Thus, it helps to realize established industry practices such as pay when get paid, implementing back-to-back arrangements, and fulfilling compliance requirements as regards payment applications and certificates. Let's take a tour of the Paychain to see how its functionalities benefit the customers. The customer contracts created in S/4HANA are seamlessly integrated with Paychain. The contract manager from main contractor can overview project contracts with all nuances such as unit, milestone, and time and material. Paychain provides overview of key contract information like retention, tax rate, change order value, etc. While executing the project, the main contractor issues orders to subcontractors and vendors. These orders could be supply of materials or for services with specific advances, retention, and tax rates. These subcontractor and vendor orders created in S/4HANA are synchronized with Paychain application. A valuable feature of Paychain is that the main contractor can map subcontractor work order with relevant customer contracts. The linkage enables visibility of subcontractor performance consolidated as per customer contract line items. This linkage is key to enable several critical industry needs such as pay when get paid and back-to-back arrangements. The product promotes collaboration by providing controlled access to subcontractors to create progress application. It provides industry-specific view of progress update, previous to date, current to date, and current period. It enables subcontractors to enter progress in multiple ways, in terms of quantity, in terms of percentage, and in terms of absolute value by using easy-to-use interface. The subcontractor can submit compliance-related and backup document along with the progress application. Printed progress application can be reviewed and approved or returned with comments for resubmission. Upon approval of subcontractor payment application, seamlessly integrated with S/4HANA for processing invoices and payment requests. Paychain promotes consolidated progress application for different customer contract types for the same project. It provides functionality to enter progress as quantity, percentage, and gross value. The progress can be viewed and entered as previous to date, current to date, and current period. The generated progress application will be subjected to customer review followed by amendment, iterations till final acceptance by the customer. The progress application output can be generated in country-specific format for submission to the customers. Upon approval of payment application, the product seamlessly integrated with S/4HANA for processing invoices. The product maintains history of all progress applications generated till date along with details. The solution is available on SAP Cloud Platform and is seamlessly integrated with S/4HANA Core. This teaching application enables to maintain project-specific receivable and payable contracts, to generate periodic progress applications by both vendors and by subcontractors, and by main contractor in collaborative environment with approval workflows and control over compliance documents. Upon due approval of progress application, seamlessly triggers processing of invoice and payments in S/4HANA system. With Project PayChain, you can automate construction project payment process across organizational boundaries, enabling contract compliant billing and payment, thereby improving contract management efficiency, leading to healthy cash flow and enhanced project profitability.